Topic Thursday today is on macronutrients. So I'm sure everyone is aware that these are the key building blocks that we need in order to provide us with our energy. 3 key items, there is a fourth. Protein, important for muscle repair, structural elements of the body. Carbs is primarily for our energy. Fats, we do get some energy from, particularly important for female hormone regulation, along with vitamin absorption, aids digestion, and it protects our organs. And the fourth one is obviously alcohol, which is primarily a toxin. The term macros refers to a tactic where you can break up the amount of macronutrients that you should consume within a prescribed caloric amount. This can be something like 40% of your allocated amount to carbs, 30 to protein, 30 to fat. This is a great starting point and tactic that somebody can use to get a good baseline with their diet and their nutrition, and it allows you to then kind of identify a particular nutrient or deficiency that you may have.